Hello there. I'm here with Ole the Viking in Alexandria, Minnesota. And the reason I'm in Alexandria is socket logic. These are tool labels and they're color coded and they're excellent and they are made right here in the USA. So if you're an American and you're ordering socket logic, you can know that it was produced in America, right here in Alexandria, Minnesota, which at the moment is a little loud, but usually it's really nice. And it's a great little town, and this is where we make it. So I wanted to show you what was in the kits. Our starter kit has 3 label sheets, and they are metric from 10 to 18, and you get 2 sets of those. And then you've got SAE for the same sizes. You'll notice the SAE and the metrics are color coded, so the equivalent are the same. So 3/8 and 10 are the same color, and so on. That works really well. Then you get a third sheet where you get some smaller sizes. Try and point this at my hand. You get some smaller sizes and some bigger sizes, and some blank write-on labels that you can write your own tasks or labels on. And then you get a toolbox legend, which you put on your toolbox, and it helps you remember which color is which. Not that you need much help, because it gets pretty easy as soon as you start using it. So that's the starter kit. Then the home shop kit has all the things in the starter kit, plus then you start getting into the big drives and the small drives. So the big drives are wider labels, and they have roughly the same color scenario, and they're bigger and the numbers are bigger. And then the 1/2 inch, the little tiny ones, are thinner, so you can tell them in your toolbox, you can tell them apart. So there they are. Then we move over to the Garage Master, and you get everything that was in those two, plus you double up on the original 2 labels. So if you have a lot of sets that you need to label, you get a lot of labels. So with the Garage Master, you actually get 4 of everything: 4 metrics, 4 SAEs, and all the stuff you got in those other 2 kits. Then the Garage King gets you another sheet with Torx labels and labels that are pre-written for certain tasks. So you can have your socket that has for spark plugs, for the oil drain plug, for the miter saw, all this stuff. You can label your tools so that when you need to do a certain job, you simply take the tool that's got the label on it. It works great. It's fabulous. And yeah, what can I tell you? These are our 4 kits. Go to the link in this video and go to our Etsy shop and get yourself one. They are made in the USA under the watchful eye of Ole the Viking. See you later.